My name is Jonathan Hargreaves, and for this TRN Taster we shall look at statistical methods to investigate situations. Over a period of recordings we'll look at mean, mode, range and median. This TRN Taster is all about working out the mean. The mean is the average of a set of numbers and is often used to compare data. You may say the average football attendance this season for your favourite team was 32,412 spectators, but last year the average was lower at 31,500. To find the average of a set of numbers or values, you need to add all the values together and then divide by how many numbers you have. So let's have a look at an example. So if you add the numbers together, 126, 146, 181 and 243, we arrive at the total of 696. So we have four numbers, and therefore we divide that by 4. So 4 into 696 equals 174. So the mean for this set of numbers is 174. This method also works with numbers of any side, including numbers with decimals. So let's have a look at another example. 789.2 plus 485.4 plus 143.7 plus 94.3. This equals 1512.6. We have four numbers, therefore we divide that number by 4, which equals 378.15. So therefore the mean for this data would be 378.15. We can often see that a mean that does not equal or is even close to any of our figures. This is because the mean value can be affected by any very high or very low figure in our data. In this case, there was a high figure of 789.2 and a low value of 94.3, which will skew the data. We need to bear that in mind when using mean. Thank you for listening to this TRN Taster, and I shall work through mode, range and median in this set of tasters. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you soon.